In a world where instant communication is not just expected but demanded, how do you ensure your business doesn't just keep up but stands out? Welcome to BotGenuity.com, where AI meets creativity, powering your business with personalized chatbots. BotGenuity offers a no-code, customizable platform that lets you build AI chatbots equipped with the latest GPT 3.5 and GPT-4 models. Whether you're tech-savvy or a novice, our platform is designed for you. In just 3 steps, you can craft your personalized AI chatbot. Sign up for free, train your bot with data from text, Word doc files, Excel data sheets, PDFs, or any website, and deploy it to start engaging with customers in real time. For entrepreneurs and businesses, BotGenuity chatbots mean more than automation. They offer a unique way to scale customer service, increase lead generation, and provide multilingual support, ensuring you're globally competitive. Consider the success story of a startup that saw a 40% increase in engagement and a 25% uptick in conversion rates within the first month of using BotGenuity. Or an agency that streamlined its client support, reducing response times by over 70%. With BotGenuity, customization is key. Adjust your chatbot's appearance to match your brand and seamlessly integrate with tools you already use, enhancing your workflow and efficiency. With plans designed for every business size, from free to enterprise, and the ability to add features like custom domains and remove branding, BotGenuity is your partner in growth. Start transforming your business with AI today. Join the revolution. Be part of a community that's setting the pace in the digital world. Visit www.botgenuity.com and start building your AI chatbot now.